Oh, he's on there.
Ain't nobody home.
He's a fish, he's a salmon is what it is. He's going to stop and he's going to come back after you. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's on there.
Ain't nobody there, ain't no bait there. Oh, somebody is there.
Yes sir, that's a salmon. I told you. That's what I did with mine, Dave.
He ain't very big.
Well, he is big.
He's swimming with you, that's why.
Yep, he's huge. He's a honker.
Telling you.
He's a tuna.
I think it's a brown.
Nope, it's going to be a salmon.
Tuna fish. 18-inch salmon.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
That's a salmon.
That's a nice one. Get his head up in there, David.
So what if he come up in there?
Well, if you look up, see us ugly motherfuckers.
He is a talker.
Nice.
Guys, if you look out of the hole, see us ugly bastards staring down at you, you wouldn't want to come out
shit
either.
on, yeah. That's a nice one.
He is fucking
Wow,
fat.
that's got a pretty purple on it.